Hello folks, welcome back to Primo RV Center here in Ottawa. My name is Dave and we're going to take you through this brand new 2023 Freedom Express 246 RKS that we have here. We're going to start on the inside of the trailer and we're going to go over here to the entrance. We have the beautiful 12-volt fridge, nice and big fridge here. And I love food, so you need a lot of space to store food. You're not running in and out to the grocery store, or once you're camping, it's nice to be able to refrigerate your food and not have to put everything in coolers. So you got your microwave, your hood range, nice big window here, and your 3-burner stove with the oven. And we have the undermounted sink with the sink cover. It's a stainless steel. Also has the nice big cabinetry above here too as well. And then we have our nice utensil insert here too. Then over here we have more cabinetry for storage. And over here we have the couch area. Nice big window here too as well. And right across from that we have the entertainment unit. We have the nice big TV. And that does swivel too as well. And then we have the nice big window too that opens up, and then the dinette area. And that does drop down to a bed. And then more storage. We have this nice light fixture here too as well. More storage. The entertainment unit, which is Bluetooth. This unit also has speakers all the way through the trailer and outside too as well. And over here we have more closet space, wardrobe space. And then over here we have the bathroom with the glass shower insert with the glass doors, nice skylight. And then you get your medicine cabinet. You also have the sink, 110 jack here, and then you have your porcelain toilet here too as well. You also have the spot here to hang clothes or towels. It does come with a lot of ventilation too inside the bathroom. And over here we have the master bedroom, wardrobe all the way around. Nice big windows on either side of the bed here for good ventilation. And then also too, people for charging laptops, CPAP machines. You got your 110 jack USB charging station there. And just over here we have the nice big window too as well. And then back over here we have the nice drawers on either side for clothes. We do have a spot here for a TV as well in the corner. And then the bed does lift up, giving us lots of storage space underneath too as well. So that's a freestanding table too at the dinette. All right, folks, this is the 246 RKS that we have here at Primo RV Center. This is one of our top-selling floor plans for couples. There's lots of sitting area. It has a lot to offer. It has a great dinette with awesome view on either side with the nice big windows here too as well. And also to the rear door is away from the master bedroom, which is really nice too. So it gives you a lot of nice options for privacy. Nice big counter space for cooking too as well. All right, folks, this is Dave from Primo RV Center. If you're interested in the 246, give us a quick shout. We'd love to take you through the trailer. Just book a quick appointment with me or Michelle. We'd love to take you through the trailer.